Okay, class. So today's lesson will be on combinations, and combinations are very simple to solve, especially in Schoology because Schoology has a very good calculator that will give you the answer very easily. Okay, so let me go ahead and explain combinations in a little bit more detail so you can understand them. Okay, so as you can see here on the left side of my screen, the combination formula is this is the combination formula, okay? But what we're going to focus on is the left side because yes, you can do this by hand, by doing all this, but like I was telling you, Schoology does have a calculator, so we're going to focus on the left side. Okay, and what does the formula mean? What does the N, what does the R mean? This means that this is a combination of N total items, choosing R items at a time or selecting R at a time. Okay, so after I explain this example, you're going to comprehend what that means. You will understand, I'm sure. Okay, so let me go ahead and read the problem below. Jose must select 4 shirts to take with him during his vacation. If he has 25 to choose from, how many ways can he pick for? Okay, first of all, let me tell you why this is a combination. Jose has 4 shirts to select out of 25. The order does not matter. If the order does not matter, it's a combination. Now, if they had told Jose, select a red shirt and a blue shirt, then it would be something else called a permutation, but we'll talk about that tomorrow in the next lesson, okay? But today we're going to stick to combinations. Combinations, again, very important. He is selecting 4 shirts out of 25. In how many ways can he pick 4? So in other words, it doesn't matter which color he picks. So therefore, this is a combination. So what you're going to do is you will write, excuse me, let me do it down here, okay? Let me do it down here. You will write the combination. This means combination. The total number is 25. That's the N. That goes at the beginning, okay? 25. And R at the time, how many items does he want to select? That's R. That would be 4. Okay? So that's how you set it up. That's very important. That's how you set it up. So now let me show you how to solve this problem. Okay? When you're working on your assignment and you get to these problems, these combination problems, your screen is going to look something like this. Look at the right side. The right side is Schoology. The left side is the example. Okay? I'm sharing a screen. So right here in the middle, that's the division of both screens. So if you look at the right side, when you work on your problems, you're going to hit the calculator. Now look at your calculator. This is your calculator. Okay? So now, you go back to the setup and you're like, okay, 25, and then once you hit 25, look down there, NCR. That's exactly what we have. So you're going to hit NCR and then 4 at the end. Make sure that you close the parenthesis at the end. Equals, that's the answer, 12,650. 12,650. So there's 12,650 ways to pick 4 shirts from 25. Okay? So I hope that this was helpful to you. If it's not, my office hours are Monday through Friday from 1:30 to 2:30 p.m. You're welcome to come and join. Okay? Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.